So this right here is a normal store-bought spring onion, or also known as a green onion. And today I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can plant this very easily and get unlimited spring onions. So first of all, you obviously bought this to cook with it. So you are going to be taking about this much, roughly where the white part is turning to the green part. You can chop it as far down as this. And now you can use this, chop it up for whatever you are planning on cooking, whether that's, an Asian fried rice dish or whatever. You can use all of this for that. And this little guy right here, you can plant straight into the soil and it will grow back this whole green part of it for you to harvest and cook with again. This is what you can expect from your spring onions or green onions within only a couple of weeks already. So I've just got it growing next to some flat leaf parsley and some more common parsley. And once it's here, it's very easy. All you do is you look for some of the lower hanging pieces, grab a pair of scissors or a knife, chop it off. That piece right there can now go straight into the kitchen and straight into your meal.